What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today it is finally time. I am getting rid of probably the longest car I've ever had in my life, and probably I would say the absolutely worst car that I've had in my life as well. I'm finally getting rid of it. Got my new truck, but yeah, still have this car. I mean, it did me well in the short time I had it that was like actually working. The rest was just nightmares and stranded and overheating, and oh man, it's a nightmare. This car is like just cloudy day hanging over my head for the longest time, always causing problems. Today, getting rid of it. And would I recommend this car for starting off or anybody? I don't know. Guess we'll see. Alright, straight up, I would say the only good thing, well, a couple good points about this car. It's all not negative, But one good thing was the sound system in the Cruze. It was pretty good, not gonna lie. Had a good sound system, heated seats, and leather seats. I think that's probably where they put all the money into this car. Other than that, the car sucked. Now, not to talk bad about the Chevy Cruze all the way. I know some people probably have a car right now. It's probably doing really good for them. Mine was a 2013 Chevy Cruze LTZ. It did its job. Got really good gas mileage, and I would say that's probably the best thing I've got it for, because I would travel from Seattle to Eastern Washington all the time, every other weekend. So it did its job, and I'm grateful for that. And I told myself, the next time I go to a car lot or even interested in buying a car, I'm not leaving unless it's exactly what I want. Because I kind of got tricked into buying this car. Hey, it's my fault. I'm the one that signed the papers. So when I told myself the next car I'm getting, it's going to be a truck, actually. It's going to be what I want. And I made sure I got that I got that done. I mean, the interior is pretty nice. Leather seats. They're still held up really well. Like I said, they probably put most of their money into these seats because they're still holding up really good. But it's time to move on. See a car. Woo! Alright. Now that the car is gone, I can enjoy the Raptor. Let's go. Woo, so much better than the Cruze. I'm telling you, definitely worth the wait. Get what you want. Alright, so moral of the story. Wait it out. If you're looking for a car, I drove that car I had that car for almost 10 years. And I did what I could to get by. And moral of the story is, wait it out. Wait for your time. Wait until the time is right. Or who knows, maybe the time will never be right. But work hard for it. The funny thing is that I'm literally came to get gloves for my current job, business. But I'm at the job where I used to work at overnight. Came to come get some gloves. But I mean, put the time in and get it done. Oh yeah, one last thing. If you could choose your dream car right now, or truck, what would you guys go get if money wasn't an option? Let me know in the comments down below. See what you guys are striving for, or if you're looking to get a truck or a car soon, what are you guys looking at? So let me know in the comments below, and yeah, take care.